Hey, what's up everyone? Nick here with The Last Coat. Wanted to introduce to you our latest and greatest creation, CeraTrim. This is going to be a semi-permanent trim restoration product. We do need to get the surface nice and clean before you do apply it, but if your plastics are in relatively good condition, you can pretty much just do a basic wash on the vehicle, then dry the plastic or the rubber, and then go ahead and apply CeraTrim. So now I'm going to show you how to actually clean the surface if you need to do more than just a basic wash on the vehicle. We're going to use a degreaser or an all-purpose cleaner with a brush to agitate deep into the pores, remove as much of the dirt and debris in the plastic as possible before we apply this so that we get the best longevity out of this. So here we go. Okay, so these plastics here are from 1987, so they are 33 years old, and we are going to bring back the beautiful luster that they looked like in 1987. But first, we're going to take degreaser diluted down pretty much between 10 and 5 to 1 is going to be your best bet in most cases. So we're just going to spray the degreaser right onto the surface here. I'm going to clean both sides so that we end up with them both looking the same so that we have a good comparison between the two. If your plastics are textured, I do advise using a brush to get down into everything so that you remove all the dirt and debris inside of here. Again though, if your plastics are in good condition, you really don't need to do this. You can just actually wash the vehicle and that's going to get everything clean enough for you. Now I just have some basic deionized water in here. Just going to spray this on here so that we can break down the degreaser, get rid of the surfactants from that. All right, now we're gonna let that air dry. We're going to take our CeraTrim. As you can see, plastics are pretty doled out from 33 years of sun abuse. We are going to take CeraTrim and put it right onto our applicator sponge. I'm going to do this side only so that we have this as a comparison. And you want to push it into the pores as much as you can. And depending upon how degraded your plastics are, I would allow it to dwell as long as you possibly can before actually buffing off the residue. As we can see, we've already brought back a huge amount of black to the plastic here. So now that we've done that, if it's really degraded, I would say give about 5 minutes or enough time to go around the vehicle and apply it to all the trim pieces, then come back and buff it off with a microfiber. So we're just going to pretend that this has been about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to take the dry side of the microfiber here and we are just going to wipe off the residue. And as you can see, it's that easy to attain brilliant looking plastics. And this is going to be a semi-permanent surface. It's not going to be like a mirror dressing where you go to wash your vehicle and it's going to come right back off. This is going to add hydrophobic properties. It'll be self-cleaning and it's going to look great while it's on your vehicle for you. So hope you guys really enjoy our latest and greatest creation, CeraTrim, because we're certainly loving it and we know you will too. So here's the B pillar that we applied CeraTrim to. Obviously here, nothing there. I hit it with some water. It's been on here now for I think 48 hours, so I'll show you how hydrophobic and self-cleaning it is. It's like it doesn't even get wet. All the water just hangs around on the uncoated side. Pretty amazing stuff.